Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue for cake decorating. Start by separating eggs precisely, avoiding any yolk in the whites. Whites whip better at room temperature. Use a spotless metal or glass bowl and beat at medium speed until soft peaks form. Add superfine sugar slowly while whipping to reach glossy, stiff peaks. Finish by folding in flavor gently, then pipe or spread on your cake for beautiful decorations. Different meringues suit different needs, so pick the right one for your cake. French meringue is quick and airy, ideal for crisp decorations or folding into batters. Swiss meringue gives a silky texture and holds up better during piping and light humidity. Italian meringue, made with hot sugar syrup, delivers the most stable, glossy finish and is perfect for intricate piping, buttercream folding, or toasted peaks. If your meringue misbehaves, small adjustments often save the day. For whipping, reheat briefly over a bain-marie while whisking to dissolve stray sugar crystals. If the texture seems grainy, switch to superfine sugar or powder part of it to help dissolve. Watch for over-whipping signs like dry clumps. Stop when stiff peaks hold shape but remain glossy. These steps help you achieve consistent results for decorating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.